It couldn't be a better time to invest in one of the best dash cams for some peace of mind. These in-car cameras designed to be mounted to your windscreen or dashboard are supposed to capture a clear view of the road ahead and record footage of any incident. Much like an action camera, dash cams can record your drives and even when your vehicle is parked, using integrated sensor to detect if an accident occurs. And any footage it takes can then be used as invaluable evidence if you're involved in or see an incident or accident while on the road. Another reason for installing a dash cam in your vehicle could be the offer of lower insurance premiums, potentially helping to bring down the rising cost of driving. We have listed the top 5 dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam dashcam is also just an HD camera, but integrates GPS location data into its recording via a GPS receiver built into its windshield mount. It uses image processing algorithms to alert you to road hazards and can let others know if you're delayed getting to your destination via the dedicated Nexar app. Check whether your phone is supported before buying a Beam. A number of popular phones are not as of this writing, which reduces the number of advanced features the Beam can offer. This dashcam has a rear-facing camera that records crisp 135-degree wide dashcam footage in 1080p and includes a 32GB SD card. Like the Garmin 2, the Beam uses your connected phone for its full interface, but also uses that pairing to do free unlimited clip backups. Next to the Garmin Mini 2, it's the least obtrusive option on the list, though it's still much larger than the Mini 2. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dashcam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounted system. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin Dash Cam family. We found the setup process took just a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and sock joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dashcam securely in place. We found the video quality to be good for the size of the camera. It records in Full HD 30fps with HDR and produces footage that is sharp enough to pick out key details like registration plates, whatever the ambient light and weather conditions. At 140 degrees, the lens field of view isn't the widest in the market, but still provides a good view of the road ahead. There's a button for quickly saving a portion of the video, and voice controls for functions like taking a photo or turning audio recording on and off work surprisingly well. Due to the Garmin Dash Cam Mini's 2 compact size, it does not have a display. Instead, you need to use the smartphone app to check the camera's view and access recordings. It also misses out on GPS, which is a shame, but this is arguably the only major feature missing here. Unless you need the best dashcam with driver assistance functions like speed camera alerts, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will leave you wanting for very little. Simple, subtle, and reliable. It's the definition of set and forget technology. Number 3. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 is a 3-channel powerhouse able to record out the windshield, inside and behind the car all at once in HD or greater resolution, or it can record 2 views at once in 4K and HD. 2 of the 3 views are captured by sensors built into the main front-facing unit, while the third is recorded by a remote rear camera that comes with a long cable to reach the back window on most vehicles. Unlike many dashcams today, the N4 doesn't require a phone for settings or clip. It has a compact but sharp rear screen and plenty of dedicated buttons for features and settings. This is a great camera if you don't want to have to fuss with a second device. The N4 also has motion detection, not just impact detection, so it can wake up and record activity around the car when it's parked. It also uses a robust supercapacitor to power those functions when the car is off, as opposed to a conventional battery that may suffer in a car's punishing temperatures. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. This Garmin Dash Cam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot harangues. It looks like the 66W is still on sale now, so it's a cheaper alternative that shares this dashcam's key specs. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is truly an excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features and which records top quality video. It's not the cheapest, but it is a top-notch dashcam that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Even the mounting system is super simple. It's a must-buy and deserves the number 2 spot in this list. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW. If you have money to burn, then the Nextbase 622GW has all the features you could ever want from a dashcam and more. The design certainly won't set the world on fire, but it has an unparalleled feature set that offers some of the best video quality of any dashcam currently on the market. The 622GW can record video in 4K 120fps, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflection that would otherwise spoil your film. But on top of that, it also packs in Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, a parking mode that senses collisions when you're parked up, and an emergency SOS service that contacts first responders in the event that the driver is unable to do it themselves. But 3Words integration also ensures they know exactly where you are, down to a 3-meter area. The 622G also connects to Nextbase's $100 rear-view camera to see what's going on behind you. Though the fact that this camera costs so much and doesn't offer two-way recording by default may irk the more price-conscious among you. How to pick the best dashcam for you. The best dashcams broadly have similar technology to one another, and for the most part, mount somewhere along a car's front windscreen or windshield. Of course, wherever you place your dashcam must not block your view of the road. The advent of rear-facing cameras require a little extra installation, as these often involve cables that run from front to back. Expect some fiddly work involving the car's headliners to get these fitted correctly. Dashcams record smaller snippets of footage, usually in increments of 1 or 2 minutes at a time. The cameras continuously record over the oldest clips in order to keep the memory card from filling up as well. While older models typically require the user to manually save or tag the appropriate clip in the event of an accident, new G-sensor-based incident detection technology has taken over, and now takes care of this automatically. There are also dashcams that boast additional features that, just like any other technology, translate to a higher asking price. These extra features can include multiple lenses for front and rear-facing coverage, together with a more refined sensor for better video quality. Some cameras only record 720p HD footage, for example, while many others now offer Full HD and 4K capture. Night vision and built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for easy file transfer may also be included. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.